Alright, first we'll start with the sausage patties. I'm using ground pork. I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper and I'm going to mix it in and form the patty. I'm using this 3-inch cookie cutter that I will link in the description below. I found it on Amazon and I thought that it worked perfectly for this. You don't need it, but I think it's helpful. Let the sausage cook for about 3 minutes per side and set it aside, and we'll get started on the folded eggs. I'm using 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of milk, a dash of salt and pepper, and I'm going to whisk it together in a medium bowl. And I just want to make sure that it's blended very well. Melt a tablespoon of butter in a pan and pour half of the egg mixture in it. You can save the other half for another McGriddle. When the eggs are just about ready, you want to fold over 3 sides of the egg. And then flip it over to form a square.
That's right.
To make things a little easier, I'm using pancake mix to make the pancakes. Make the pancakes according to the package instructions, and I added about 1 tablespoon of maple syrup to the mix. If you're using round molds, coat them with butter or cooking spray and then add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter to each mold. Cook the pancakes in the molds until they start to bubble, then take them out and flip to the other side. Now it's time to assemble. Add a slice of American cheese on top of the bottom pancake, and then sausage, egg, and the top pancake.
That's right.
And there you have it, a DIY sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle.